Every man looks at a woman's body, but only 1 in 1,000 truly sees it. You can look at her chest but only see its size, not her subconscious need for care or independence. You can look at her lips but only see their shape, not her relationship with pleasure. You can look at her hips but only see their curve, not her inner archetype of the huntress or the nurturer. While 99% of men just skim the surface, a sharp man reads her body like an open book, because her body cannot lie. Today we're cracking 4 non-obvious keys to her character, mood and true desires. We'll end with the intimate signal most men misread, what tight down there really means. It's not anatomy, it's you and how she feels right now. Your ultimate lie detector. Hit like, show you're in, subscribe, no fluff, drop your city below. Feature 1, her hips, the ancient signal of inner drive. Let's start with what a man's gaze instinctively falls upon her hips. This is the most ancient marker embedded by evolution. Nature created 2 basic female images, the nurturer and the huntress. A woman with wide, rounded hips is the nurturer archetype. A man sees fertility, health, stability. High estrogen shapes this figure for motherhood. Psychologically, she's down to earth, calm, grounded, energy inward. Comfort, harmony, security. She values predictability, financial stability. In a relationship, she wants a steady shoulder. She'll be a caring homemaker, faithful partner if you provide security. Her motto, my home is my castle. The mistake a man makes is pulling her out of her comfort zone, suggesting risky adventures. For her, that's anxiety. Her love shows in daily, methodical care. Give her stability, build that castle. She'll be the most devoted woman imaginable. She is your rearguard value, and protect it. Now the second pole. Narrow hips, the boyish figure. This is the huntress archetype. Higher androgens make her dynamic, sharp, risk-prone. A man sees her as a rival or worthy prize. Psychologically, she's independent, active, ambitious, focused outward. Career, sports, creativity, freedom over comfort, growth over stability. In a relationship, she seeks a partner to conquer the world together. She won't tolerate control or overprotection. Her motto, movement is life. The man's mistake is trying to domesticate her. That leads to conflict and departure. Speak her language of goals, achievements, shared adventures. Be the other wing that helps her fly higher. Give her freedom, support her ambitions. She'll be a powerful source of inspiration. She is your vanguard, keep up. Neither type is better. Different operating systems. Understand hers, become the perfect user. First, honest clue. Feature 2, her chest, the compass of emotion. Hips mark life strategy. Chest is her emotional world. Size and shape linked to estrogen and prolactin levels. A small, neat, athletic chest often means more androgynous balance. Psychologically, she's analytical. Intellectual emotions matter, but don't overwhelm. She values logic, deep spiritual connection. No drama, partnership, friendship, shared interests. First, physical intimacy is the high point of mental bond. No mental link, her body won't respond. She falls in love through the mind. The key is your intellect, humor, personality. Expensive gifts or status, waste of time. Talk, deep, listen, show your inner world. She'll be the most devoted lover. She chooses a person, the strongest foundation. A large, full chest is high estrogen, classic femininity. A man reads health, fertility, nurturing. Psychologically, she's an ocean of emotions, richer, brighter, unstable. Heightened care instinct. She'll surround you with attention, warmth, but she needs hugs, words of love. Emotional security. The mistake is appealing to logic during outbursts. Hug her, say you love her, discuss calmly later. Give maximum tenderness. She'll turn life into the coziest home. She falls in love through the heart. The medium firm chest is balance, emotional yet rational. Sense the slight tilt. Chest is her emotional operating system. Speak her language, halfway to her heart. Feature 3, her voice. The barometer of hidden energy. Not what she says. Her voice is a direct conduit for libido and sexual energy. A high lilting girlish voice ties to youth playfulness, subconscious request for protection. She seeks a father figure, protector, safe space. Emotional foreplay complements fairy tale are vital. Rough approach causes fear. The mistake is mistaking infantility for foolishness. Speak emotions, protection, care, unlock trust. A low, deep, velvety voice, sometimes husky broadcasts, strength, confidence related to testosterone, high libido. She's a queen seeking equal or challenger values, strength. Intellect, deeds. Empty compliments fail. Foreplay is intellectual duel. The mistake is fearing her strength or trying to break her. Play show depth. She'll be a powerful ally. Even she needs to feel desired through respect. Voice is soul vibration. Learn to feel it. Your tactic saves mistakes. Feature 4, her lips. The gateway to sensuality. Face lips connect to hidden ones. Shape maps attitude to pleasure. Full plump lips, high estrogen hedonism. She loves enjoying life, food, music, touch. Open, expressive, values, atmosphere, foreplay, long kisses, lives by pleasure, frank about likes, dislikes. The key appeal to all senses, no rush. Be gourmet, she'll open like an exotic flower. Guard her trust, thin, tightly pressed lips. Reserved, pragmatic, keeps emotions inside, self-control. Hit like if this cracked the code. Comment your city plus one signal I read everyone. Subscribe for the final 3 keys. Plus real truth of tight down there. Bell on next part soon.